Good morning dear students. Today we will discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum. It was discovered by the two scientists that is known as the Porter and Thomson. Its name was given by the scientist that is Porter. What is a endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum, it is a complicated three-dimensional interconnected system of the membrane lined channels that run through the cytoplasm. As we know that if we consider it as a cell and its dot-like parts are structure is known as the cytoplasm, and inside the cytoplasm it is present in the form of the interconnected membrane lined channels that is known as the endoplasmic reticulum. Structure. It is consist of the mainly three parts. First part is the cisternae, second is the tubules, and third one is the vesicles. What are the cisternae? Cisternae are the flattened structures which are interconnected to one another by means of these connections, and they are always found in the bundle condition and lie parallel to one another. They will never present in a single condition, or if they are present in a single condition, the condition is known as the cistern, and if they are present in a groups or in bundle, they will known as the cisternae. Second part is the tubules. Tubules, what are the tubules? These are the tube-like extensions which may interconnected with the cisternae. These may be connected with cisternae or may be with the vesicles. They can be regular, branched or irregular. It is a irregular type and it is a regular type in which it is known as the branching condition. Next is the vesicles. Vesicles are the oval or rounded sac-like structures. These are also known as the microsomes. Their shape may be oval or they may be rounded in the shape, and they are present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Next is the types of ER. Types of ER. There is present mainly two types of ER. Endoplasmic reticulum is mainly of two types. One is the RER, second is the SER. RER is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Due to presence of ribosomes on its surface, it appears the rough in nature, and it leads to the production of the proteins, because as we know that the ribosomes are also known as the protein factory. Second type is the SER, that is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and in this part no ribosomes are present on their surface. RER, it helps to synthesize the proteins because the ribosomes are also known as the protein factory, as we have discussed earlier. Next is the SER. They help in the synthesis of the lipids, and it also helps to detoxify the poison and toxic substances from the body. Both proteins and lipids. As we know that the plasma membrane is made up of the lipids and proteins, so the both proteins and lipids, they help in the synthesis of the membrane, and this phenomena or term is known as the membrane biogenesis. This is very important term. RER, it is present in those cells which play an important or active role in the secretion or in the synthesis. As we know that the rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is rough due to presence of ribosomes. So ribosomes have to make the proteins. It also helps to produce the enzymes. It means the maximum production or synthesis secretion takes place in the RER. And SER, it is present in the leukocytes. What are the leukocytes? Leukocytes are the WBC cells or the white blood corpuscles of the human body that play important role in the defense mechanism of the body. So it is the function of the RER and SER. In last, we will discuss about the functions of ER. What are the main important functions of the ER? First function is that it provides a large surface inside the cell for the various physiological activities. It means inside the ER there is present the great luminal area in which the body's various physiological activities can take place, like the storage, secretion, or help in the detoxifying toxins and poisonous substances from the body. Second point is it gives rise to the vacuoles. It means it helps to synthesize the part of the Golgi body that is known as the vacuoles. Binding of the proteins and lipids, it helps in the formation of the lipoproteins. We can say that the combination of the lipids and proteins combined form, it is known as the lipoproteins. Next is that it keeps the various organelles in the position. Due to the endoplasmic reticulum, various organelles are keep in their original position. And it also helps to conduct the information from cell exterior to the inside and from one part of the cell to the another. It means the ER, it is that type of the organelle which helps to conduct the information from the outside of cell to the internal. It means it transmits the information from outside of the cell to the internal part of the cell or from one part of the cell to the another. Most important feature of the endoplasmic reticulum is that it stores the calcium ion for the muscle contraction. As we know that for the muscular contraction, the calcium ion is very responsible. So we can say that as usually we know that the calcium is essential for the bone formation, because the calcium ion, it play a very important role in the muscular contraction. SER, it can also develop from the RER by discarding the ribosome. When we remove the or discard the ribosomes from the surface of the RER, yani from rough endoplasmic reticulum, it will lead to the production of the SER. So today we have considered about the endoplasmic reticulum, and these are the most important functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Thanks and have a nice day.